Okay, here's something you probably have not seen before. Evaluate this right here. Okay, that symbol right there means n things taken j at a time. And it's defined as n factorial divided by j factorial, n minus j factorial. Okay, that probably doesn't mean a whole lot to people, but once you see it, you'll understand. So the first example here, we're going to evaluate 6 choose 2. Okay, that would be like we had a bag that had 6 marbles in it. Each one had a number 1 through 6, and you reached into the bag at random and picked 2 marbles. How many different ways could you pick those marbles? Okay, so 6 choose 2 would be 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 6 minus 2 factorial, which would be 6 factorial over 2 factorial, 4 factorial. Now, we could do this on a calculator, okay? But if you think about it, what this means, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by, now this is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And this is 2 times 1. So we can actually do this one in our head pretty easily, or by hand pretty easily. These all cancel. This becomes 6 times 5, which is 30, divided by 2, which is 15. So there's 15 different ways that if I reached into a bag of 6 marbles and I chose 2 of them that I could get, there's 15 combinations of things that I could get. Okay, now, this one here, little bit tougher. Can't really do it like this because it'd take you all night. But I can still use the formula. This is 65 factorial divided by 15 factorial. 65 minus 15 factorial, which is 65 factorial divided by 15 factorial times 50 factorial. And if you plug this into your calculator, you're going to get something that looks like 2.073746 998 E14. What does that mean? Well, that's just scientific notation. It says move this decimal 14 places that way, and that'll be your answer. So it won't be exactly the answer necessarily because this rounds to right here. It cuts it off, so I don't know what it would be. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what is that? Millions, billions, 207 trillion, 374 billion, 699 million, 800,000 approximately.